Yeah,
Pero,
just hold the...
yeah, no, he was doing it, she was, nakatayo siya. Pero kailangan niya ng tulong sa upuan. She was like doing this literally, like for 5 minutes.
Yeah?
The banana peel. She loves the banana peel.
Really?
Loves the banana peels.
Gusto niya talaga.
Nag-agawan niya yung banana peel sa kamay ko.
Oh, cute. Hindi ko nakita
siya sa kaldereta.
kanina. Anong mangyari?
Anong ginagawa niya?
Anong ginagawa?
Kasi mangyayari is like what's gonna happen.
Oh.
Or what happened.
How do you say I didn't see what happened?
Hindi ko nakita anong yung nangyari kanina.
Anong,
hindi ko nakita yung
nangyari?
I wouldn't really say nangyari.
No?
Kasi nangyari is like more of like a situation.
Okay, that's only used for English.
Anong nangyari kanina?
Uh-huh.
Like what happened?
You can't say hindi ko nakita anong nangyari kanina.
Hindi ko nakita yung kung anong ginawa niya.
Okay.
I didn't see what it did. Or what
the pig was doing.
Ginawa ng biig. Or anong, hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa ni Apollo kanina.
Hindi ko nakita kung...
Hindi ko nakita... Yeah.
I didn't see if...
Hindi ko nakita... Hindi ko nakita anong ginawa. Kung anong ginawa. I didn't see, yeah. Hindi ko nakita kung anong...
So you have to add kung?
Hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa. Yeah, am I saying that right? Pero it sounds so right to me. Hindi ko nakita kung anong...
Brother, tama ba yan?
Hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa ni Apollo kanina. I think I can put in kung kasi of my sentence.
Really?
Kasi I can see the whole thing in my mind, so I can say it. But if I have to explain it to you,
that's what
I can't explain it.
Bakit daag yung...
Bakit
why did you add...
Bakit dinagdag mo yung...
Bakit dinagdag mo?
I don't want to teach you anything wrong.
It's okay.
Dinagdag mo kung sa sentence mo. Hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa. Kasi if I cut out kung, it sounds... Hindi ko nakita yung ginawa. Maybe I could say yung... Kung anong ginawa. Hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa ni Apollo kanina. Kung anong
hindi ko nakita.
Kung anong ginawa.
You can't just say, hindi ko nakita anong ginawa.
Kasi, hindi ko nakita anong ginawa. It's like something missing. Hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa ni Apollo kanina. Kasi if you...
Hindi ko nakita anong...
Slow. Kung sabihin mo like, mabagal, parang hindi tama. Pero kung sabihin mo mabilis at walang kung, parang hindi maaari.
Hindi ko nakita anong gagawin mo kanina. Mali.
I have to clarify that. Hindi ko nakita kung anong ginawa. I only say it kasi I've heard it before.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, kasi my parents speak in Tagalog, right? Minsan. Siguro 50-50. English-Tagalog.
Sa bahay?
Or at least maybe even 60 to 70 Tagalog, 30 English.
Pero, ang kapatid mo din, o hindi?
No, we always speak English.